Good morning, dear students. Today, I'd like to introduce you to someone. That's Sarah. She's new to the class. Please be nice to her. Could you please briefly introduce yourself to Sarah?
I'd love to hear Mr. Coons. My name is Sarah Meyer. I am 9 years old and live in Munich. I moved 2 weeks ago.
Wonderful. Sarah, you can sit down. Today, I will give you a special task. You must prepare a presentation. You'll work together in groups. Please find a partner now.
Hey Moritz, do we want to work together?
I'd love to, Julian. We're a good team.
So we're working together too, aren't we? We're happy to do that. What is your name then? I am Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa. I am Sarah. I'm happy to be in a group with you. I'm happy too.
You must prepare a presentation together. You should present the history of Munich. The presentation is 10 minutes long. Each of you should talk for about 5 minutes. You've got a week.
Shall we meet at my place tomorrow? We can prepare for the presentation there. I'd love to. I'll come to you after school. Sarah lives at Maximilianstrasse 12. I'm going to see her now. Sarah's house should be here. I'm a bit late. I hope she isn't mad. Hi, Sarah. I'm sorry I'm late. No problem, Lisa. But you have a nice house. Thank you. It's my dad's vacation home. Shall we go to your room and work on the talk? That is not necessary. What do you mean by that? I'm already done. You've already done the entire presentation? Exactly. I did everything yesterday. What should I do now? You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is read out your part. I'll give it to you at school tomorrow. Awesome. Thank you, Sarah. See you tomorrow then.
Good morning, dear students. Today you are presenting your talks. I'm really excited. Lisa and Sarah, get started, please.
Hey Sarah, can you give me my text please? I don't have a text for you. But you promised me. I fooled you.
What's going on up there?
Lisa hasn't prepared her text. Mr. Coons, I can explain that.
That's enough now. Lisa, you get a 6. Sorry for the circumstances, Sarah. You get a 1, of course. How long does the student's presentation have to be? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes.